Mastering Professional Email Collocations. Hello language learners, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into an essential topic, collocations in professional settings. Specifically, we'll focus on emails and written communication. Understanding collocations will not only boost your vocabulary but also make your English sound more natural and professional, especially in written form. So, let's get started. Before we jump into our main topic, let's quickly recap what collocations are. Collocations are words that typically go together. Think of them as good friends that always hang out together. For example, in English, we make a decision, not do a decision. Make and decision are collocated words. In professional emails, using the right collocations can help you convey your message effectively and succinctly. Let's explore some common examples. 1. Attach a document. This is used when you're sending a file along with your email. For instance, I have attached the document you requested. 2. Reply promptly. This refers to responding to an email as soon as possible. Example: thank you for your email. We will reply promptly. 3. Draft an email. This phrase is used when creating or composing an email. Example: I'll draft an email to the client to inform them about the changes. 4. Send a reminder. This is used when you want to remind someone of something via email. Example: could you send a reminder to the team about the meeting tomorrow? In addition to emails, there are other forms of written communication in professional settings like reports, memos, or letters. Here are a few collocations you might find helpful. 1. Submit a report. This means to give or offer something for a decision to be made by others. Example: the team has to submit a report by the end of this week. 2. Draft a proposal. This refers to the process of writing a plan or suggestion, especially a formal one, for consideration or discussion by others. Example: we need to draft a proposal for the upcoming project. 3. Write a memo. This is used when creating a note or record for future use. Example: could you write a memo regarding the policy changes? 4. Sign a contract. This phrase is used when you agree to a set of conditions by writing your signature on a document. Example: after lengthy discussions, the company decided to sign a contract with the new supplier. That's a wrap for today, everyone. We hope this lesson on collocations in professional written communication has been insightful and will assist you in crafting more natural and professional-sounding emails and other written documents. Remember, these are just a few examples. The English language is full of such collocations, so always keep exploring and learning. Stay curious and keep practicing. See you in our next video. Remember, practice makes perfect.